Hi guys, Kandi Blaze here with Kandi's Rods and Customs at 1722 Claremont Avenue in the beautiful heart of downtown Ashland. Well, it's a little dark here in the back of the hot rod shop because, well guys, it's cold enough now in the middle of November that we can't have the back doors open. So look at all these crazy shadows, right? Okay, there we go. Hey, I can see you a little bit more. Maybe you can see me. Not sure how that goes. Anyway, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the current rides in here. Then we're going to have a little pause in this video, which for you guys will just be a little bit of a splice. And I'm going to take you into the other part of the hot rod shop right now. So, couple things first. So I've been away for a little bit here. I haven't been in the back much. I've been up front working in the shop. We are so busy right now, guys, that I've been full-time in the office right now. And well, Rob and I escaped for a little bit last week. So it's been a little bit since we've done one of these feeds for you. Okay, enough of that, right, guys? Look at this behind me, 1966. Boy, I hope I got that year right. GMC carry-all, kind of like an international travel-all, only this is a carry-all. It's before they made or were titled SUVs. So this one is getting all the way stripped down to bare metal. We're gonna take everything off of it, all of the chrome, all the lights, all the molding, all the glass, and well, we got some custom metal work to do on her, and then she's getting a beautiful two-tone paint job on this incredible 1966 GMC carryall. Okay, guys, you're looking behind me. That's the 1957 Pro Tour 150 back there, guys. Right now, BoxPerformance is wrapping up the beautiful motor on that will be a full EFI. Now, there is nothing left undone on this incredible Pro Tour Mod Resto build, you guys. That's a custom firewall to fit that beautiful custom motor by BoxPerformance. And on the other side of me is the framework getting the work done with it for the 4-link and rear coil overs. All right, so stay tuned. I got an estimate to do on that truck back there. And right here is the 1967 427 Corvette, guys. And well, the other end's pretty dark back here, but I tell you what, I'm going to take you guys up to the mechanic area, which is also where we're working on the 1932. So here we go, guys. All right, guys, so now we're in the mechanics area here at Kandi's Rods and Customs. And well, it's super warm in here and super bright. So we actually brought the 1932 over so we can work on it in this area right now while we're getting the rest of the lifts put up. Whew, that seemed like quite a mouthful. So let me take you around here. So Emily's back. She was actually off for a few weeks because she had a boo-boo on her knee. Like, not even a nice boo-boo, guys. So, but we're glad to have her back, and accompanying her today, look at that. That's her beau there, that's her fiance. He dropped in to say hi with us, and he's a pretty cool cat too. So, all right guys, here comes the cool stuff. I'm trying not to trip over anything back here, because I actually have a pair of heels on today. Okay, I know you guys have been following this. This is the 1932 Ford original 5-window steel body guide. We're making it into a beautiful street rod. So Chevy Cheyenne has been the lead build on this, and she has done some phenomenal metal work on it. I mean, we're talking English wheel, pneumatic hammer, the brake, a lot of custom fabrication in the metal work has gone on this piece of beautiful American automotive history in here, guys. We're very excited to have that in here. And I can't wait to see the next step on it that she's doing. So stay tuned to that ride as well. And don't forget, you've heard me say you're in the mechanical department, right? Of course you did. Well, what that means is we have a full service mechanic department, from your brakes and your oil changes to your synthetic oil changes to the rear ends, your rotors, your struts, and everything in between, guys. Make sure you check us out now for your full service mechanic department too. And of course, along with that brings us Schaeffer oils. We love to use Schaeffer lubricants and oils. Like, guys, check that out back there. There's a bunch of Schaeffer lubricants. And you'll notice the big sign change out front that shows like, hey, we have Schaeffer lubricants here. So make sure you check that out for winter. We also have all your windshield wiper blades, of course, all the Roth stuff too, and interstate batteries, guys. Okay, that one's Optima, so that's really cool too, but we also have interstate batteries. So make sure you come in, check out all your winter needs for us to keep all of your lubricants and everything up to par. And I'm gonna sport this, guys. If you have a classic car make sure you put in the Schaeffer Nutra in it before you store it for the winter. It is the best, and I use it in every single classic car that I own personally, and I recommend it for all my clients. Okay, guys, I am so busy, like I gotta go. There is so much going on right now, and mark their calendars because December 21st, it's a Kandi's Christmas at the Caddy Shack, and we have Bad JuJu and the Satellite Ross, okay, guys? The Satellites will be there. Some of the best music around for local music, so stay tuned. I've got posters up. I'll see you around, guys. I'm Kandi Blaze with Kandi's Ross and Kustoms. Bye.